Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm going to be reviewing some of these smart LED floodlights sent to me by a company called Novostella. Now I'm going to give you an unboxing to see what comes in the box, show you how to set it up, link it with the Smart Life app, and give you an overview of how they look at my house. So let's get straight into it. Right, so just opening this up. Right, so there's only three things in here that you really need to worry about. It's the actual floodlights themselves, as you can see here. Smaller than I expected, very compact. You can see the width there. They come with this nice little handle that come out so you can lean them against the floor like that, or you can drill them in using the holes there. Also comes with a user guide to get you up and running, and it comes with a set of two wireless antennas to pick up a stronger signal from your Wi-Fi, because if you are setting this up outdoors, then you're going to need to pick up the Wi-Fi signals from the router inside your house, so it might be a little bit flaky when you're setting it up with the app. So this will boost the strength and you'll be able to get that connected straight away. So those are the only things that come in the box. Now what I'm going to show you is actually how to set this up with the Smart Life app, because once you plug this in, it will turn the light on straight away. Now both of these are 20-watt lamps with an intensity of 2000 lumens, and they both are IP66 weatherproof, so whether it's raining, snowing or whatever, it should be fine. It just can't be submerged fully underwater, so if you're thinking about putting this inside a pond maybe, then I wouldn't recommend that, because that could damage it. But the best thing about it is that you can control it using your mobile phone through the Smart Life app. I'll have the link in the description below where you can download the apps, but you can change it to 16 million different RGB colors. You can change the intensity and the brightness of it, and the best thing about it is you can control it through a Google Assistant like Google Home or Amazon Alexa. So if you're in the house and you wanted to turn this on in your back garden, then just tell it to turn on the garden lights by the name that you give it. So as you can see, the cable for this is not too long. It's about that length, just over a meter. So if you are going to be taking this to different parts of your house outdoors, then I would recommend you get an extension cord. Okay, so I am going to put the antennas on there quickly, and then we'll get this set up using the Smart Life app. So I have my dual plug extension cord here. So the idea is when you plug it in, it will turn on, but they should start blinking. If they don't start blinking white, then you'll have to just unplug and replug them, or if you got this into a wall socket, just turn the switch on and off until it starts blinking. So let me show you an example. There's one. So one is doing it, the second one isn't. So this one is ready to pair. I just need to make sure that one is ready as well. So I will unplug that, replug it in until it starts blinking. Okay, so a few attempts later, they're both starting to blink. Now let me go ahead and open the Smart Life app, go into add device, and under the lighting section, I'll just choose that first one there, lighting BLE plus Wi-Fi. Confirm that they're both blinking. Got my Wi-Fi picked up there. Now it should be able to pick them up, and as you can see, they've both gone solid. So that means it's connected, so I need to wait for this to finish connecting completely, and I should be ready to use it. It's pretty straightforward, happened the first time around, so a big win for that part. So now I just need to rename Floodlight 1, and I'll rename that one to Floodlight 2. Done, and there we are. Now if we go inside, you can choose scene. So this is Floodlight 2. You can see that it's changing color a little bit. Make it colorful. I don't know if you guys can see that clearly. But there's a lot of different things that you can do with this. If you just change it to a certain color, so that's red, I can reduce the brightness, as you can see here. Now, the best way to see this is at night time, so what I'm going to do now is wait for the sun to set, make it a little bit dark, set this up in different areas of my house, in the back and the front, and just to show you guys how this actually looks. So there's an option here to actually schedule the timing, so if you want it to come on at night time only, then you can do that from here. So if you select that, you can add a timer and set it to repeat, or change it into different schedules and send yourself a notification when it does that. But also you'll be able to go into the Amazon Alexa app and set it up using the Smart Life skill. So there's a very easy way to voice command these lights as well. So a big win. And I recommend this highly to anyone that wants to buy floodlights for their gardens, maybe a bit of security measures as well. They come under just under £80, and I'll have a link down below of where you can purchase it, so do check them out. Now Novostella do an awesome set of lights, both indoor and outdoor, that you can buy for your home, for your garden, for wherever. It's just really cool lights, and for me, they've just had nothing but good experiences from my side. So if there's any other questions you have of these lights, then do drop the comment below. Otherwise, I'm going to show you guys the videos of the lights all the way around the house. It doesn't necessarily need to be outdoors. You can use this indoors, maybe under your desk to light up the wall or whatever. So now that's all set up, I'm going to wait for the sun to go down, make sure it's dark and at night time. Hopefully you guys enjoy that video of all the lights, and I'm going to be controlling it using my app here on the Smart Life app. And if there's any other questions you have, let me know. Otherwise, I hope you subscribe. I'll do a lot more lighting videos, and I'm pretty sure you're going to like those as well. So until next time, take care.